And would you please state your name for the record, ma'am?
Maria Morel.
Speak up, please.
Maria Morel.
Thank you, Ms. Morella. Would you please raise your right hand? You swear or affirm that you will truthfully and accurately translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, are you Jose Lopez?
Yes.
And Mr. Lopez's case is set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday in cause number 25 DCCR 0211, charged with solicitation of prostitution. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, I would be ready, but I have the appointment by retina doctor in the Woodlands on the 22nd. It's taken me like 2.5 months to get the appointment. I haven't been there in like a year, so I need to go.
Did you file a motion for continuing?
No, it's set at 2:00. I just checked my calendar this morning on that. I mean, I can file one. I could pick a jury, but I would be unavailable Tuesday to try the case. I could come back and try it Wednesday.
Okay. Ms. French?
State's ready, Your Honor.
Okay. And so your appointment is on the 21st?
22nd at 2:00.
The 22nd is Wednesday.
I think it's
Wednesday.
the 22nd. It's the 22nd. It's not the 20th, it's the 22nd. Saturday, Wednesday. I was thinking it was Tuesday. Okay. At 2:00. I know that. What did I tell you? Have I told you? No. She's gonna drive me. I guess.
Yes.
I'll
So,
let your eyes, you can't see when you.
so I guess if we needed to, we could pick a jury Monday afternoon. We could work Tuesday afternoon, possibly even part of Wednesday morning, a couple hours, maybe
Yeah, so I'm on the road about 11.
11. And then we have all day Thursday. So we still, I would think on this type of case, have plenty of time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And it looks like the rejection before was for a 3-year deferred probation. Mr. Lopez, I want to make sure if we go forward with trial next week, that I will not accept any plea agreements after today. Do you understand?
Yes.
And do you still want to reject that offer for probation and go forward with a jury trial?
He wants a trial.
Okay. All right, then I will number the case tomorrow after docket. If we do go to trial, will you have your own, you'll have your own interpreter for him?
She translated.
Okay. Okay. All right. We'll see y'all next week. Stay in touch with Mr. Kimler. He'll let you know what time to be back or what order the trials are for Monday. All right, you're free to go. Thank you.
So Lopez is officially moving forward toward trial, and the court is already making sure the logistics are covered, including an interpreter. That matters because a defendant has to understand the proceedings and be able to meaningfully participate in their defense. For now, Lopez walks out free, but the next appearance could look very different once jury selection begins.
This is Mr. Smith's on Angel Mata Rodriguez. Good morning, sir. Are you Angel Mata
Yeah.
Rodriguez? And this is 23 DCCR 1106. Mr. Rodriguez is on probation for evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. Motion to revoke has been filed. What is the announcement?
I've anticipated being able to discuss it with Mr. Smith this morning, Your Honor. I don't know that we have to have a hearing. I think he's picked up a new case.
Honestly, I don't know. Your Honor, Mr. Smith is around. He's dealing with crisis from over the weekend. He is here if we need him, but I've got his file, and there isn't. There's an.
Why don't I hold it? Y'all can just take a look at it. Yeah. And if he needs to run down or if y'all need a reset, just let me know, but I'll hold it for now.
Now we jump to a completely different case, and the stakes are serious. Jorge Delier is pleading guilty to a third-degree felony involving assault of a family member by impeding breath or circulation. The judge isn't simply accepting the word guilty, she is confirming that the plea is voluntary and that Delier actually admits to the conduct. This is where the courtroom shifts from what happened to what happens next.
And then Jorge Delier,
It's a plea. Your hands.
discovery. Okay. Good morning, sir. Are you Jorge Delier? And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Sure.
Mr. Delier, in clause number 25 DCCR 0892, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of assault family violence by impeding breath or circulation from January 31st of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Good.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you with?
Yes.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Kimler?
Yes.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand if I follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 5-year deferred probation. There would be a $500 fine. You would be required to participate in AA as well as anger management, have no contact with the victim,
It's like I put direct contact.
direct contact. You would be able to use the Family Wizard app or program to communicate with regard to your children. Do you understand? Okay. And do y'all use that already?
No, ma'am. I go straight to mom, but I'm even having issues just to see my son.
Yeah. So it's a great, here's the thing, that is a great tool. It protects you and her both because it takes everything that it has a calendar. If there's a doctor's appointment, if there's a soccer game, if there, whatever it is, if you need to find out information, you can both input information. It's like an email program, but everything's saved. So everything
Yes.
you say saved, everything she says saved. She can't say you said something you didn't. So, and vice versa. So
And what if she tried to get in contact with me or like just without using the app? What do I do about that?
hang up and say, if she texts you, say use Family Wizard. And that way, and keep that, forward it to your attorney so that if she comes back and says, oh, he contacted me, you can have whatever you need to protect yourself.
Yes.
Okay. I don't even
And
know.
also, I know she worked. You know, her mom sells drugs and all this. She be having my son stay.
Protection.
So, here's the thing. If there's issues, you need to go through family court. All right. You need to talk to Mr. Kimler, get a lawyer, get all that worked out another way. I don't have any say so over any of that. All I have is say so over you. Okay. So if you want to stay out of prison on this probation, you got to follow these rules. And if you need to go take care of some other things so that y'all have rules to live by down in family court, then you need to get that taken care of as quickly as possible.
Yes.
Okay. So it looks like also,
Can I help you out, Your Honor?
yes, please.
Defendant will pay 100% of the cost for 5 years for the Our Family Wizard program, and also agreed for probation to do an assessment to help him with any needs they may be able to help him with, refer him to.
So pay 100% for both of them?
He's paying the total cost for 5 years.
Okay. And that's y'all's agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. That's good because it helps everybody. All right. You understand that all of that is the agreement. Do you also understand if you're not a U.S. citizen that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No, Judge.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Delier is not competent? All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case for sentencing so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you and your case, and then we'll come back later for sentencing.
Yes.
You need to stop and talk to probation on your way out of the courtroom today, and she's sitting at that desk right over there.
Yes.
All right, we'll see you back at sentencing. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Page.
And there's the twist, Delier has pleaded guilty, but the judge isn't sentencing him immediately. Instead, probation will prepare a pre-sentence report so the court can get a fuller picture before deciding the sentence. That means the case isn't completely finished yet. For Delier, the next step is crucial: follow the instructions, meet with probation, and come back ready for sentencing. Two defendants, two very different choices, and both cases are heading toward major courtroom consequences.